go ahead.
Victor Mobile, Germany 2, Norway Victoria Mobile.
Yeah, I copied the Norway Victoria Mobile. Try again, please.
Golf 2, November Victor Mobile, Germany number 2, Norway Victoria Mobile. Saif, QSO?
Okay. Tell me if it is correct. I copied Golf 2, November Victoria Mobile. Is that Roger or have I missed any letter? Go ahead.
Roger. Golf 2, November Victor Mobile. My name Tom, Tango Oscar Mike, and I am Bulldozer Mobile from Northwest England. You're 5 and 9, 59, over.
Roger. Hello, Tom. Nice to meet you, Tom. Thanks for the nice report. You're 5 and 5 with me, Tom. 5 and 5 with me, Tom. And I'm looking to the picture there with the vertical antenna you have there. But you're 5 and 5 with me, Tom. Thanks for 5 and 9, Tom. Golf 2, November Victor Mobile, A71AM. Back to you, Tom.
Okay, thank you, Saif. Well, I'm just running a Alinco DX-70, 100 watts to a mag mount with a whip antenna on the roof of a Caterpillar D6 Bulldozer, Saif. Alpha 71 Alpha Mike, Golf 2, November Victor Mobile.
Yeah, Roger. Well, that's a beautiful setup. I think my 6-element monoband Yagi and 50 meters doing a little bit of work there as well. Tom, hi. But thanks for stopping by, Tom. Wish you a good evening over there, and I look forward to chat with you soon again. Golf 2, November Victor Mobile. This is Alpha 71 Alpha Mike 73, Tom.
Okay, your station definitely doing all the work, Saif. Thanks for the contact. A71AM at G2NV Mobile. Shukran, my salama.
Echo Delta.